Adding a robot system to your milling or turning operation is a surprisingly affordable way to automate your production. A robot takes over the repetitive tasks of loading and unloading your machine, freeing up your employees for more important work. And the robots can run all night long, leading your shop into lucrative, lights-out production. Haas makes 3 robot packages, the HRP 1, 2, and 3. You can order them with new machines, and you can also retrofit them to an existing mill or turning center. All that's required is that your machine has a next-generation control. Add our affordable auto door option and some programmable work holding, and you've leapt into the world of full-on automation. With a reach of nearly 3 feet, the best-selling HRP1 can lift parts weighing as much as 15 pounds. The arm rests on a mobile pedestal, which adds to the robot's flexibility. The entire robot assembly, including the pedestal and safety cage, takes up no more room than an operator, his tool chest, and a standard work table. The HRP1 draws its power from the control in your machine, so there's no separate wiring needed. Since it's already integrated into the Haas control, the robot arrives ready to run right out of the box. In most applications, the robot is operational on the same day it arrives. Like all of our robots, the HRP1 is fitted with the standard single grippers. You can double the dexterity by adding our even more helpful double grippers. The HRP1 is perfectly sized to work with the VF1 and 2, the UMC 500 and 500SS, and the DMDT series of vertical mills, and the ST10 through ST28 turning centers. The mighty HRP2 has a reach that's twice as long as the HRP1, and it can pick up parts weighing as much as 55 pounds. That's a lot of heft. The 2 package gets its leverage through the pedestal, which is firmly bolted to the floor. And it gets its power from a separately wired 3-phase 230-volt 3 kVA power supply. Like all of our robots, the 2 comes with a CE-compliant safety fence to keep your operators and passers-by from getting too close. The HRP2 is designed to fit VF series vertical mills from VF2 to the VF5, the VM2 and VM3 mold machines, any of the UMC machines up to UMC 1000SS, and the ST20 through ST35LY turning center. The 6.5-foot reach and the massive 110-pound part capacity of the HRP3 brings powerful, repeatable automation to your large part production. Like the HRP2, the 3 is bolted firmly to the floor, giving it all sorts of leverage. The reach between your spindle and your farthest part storage location can span an amazing 13 feet. And it gets its power from a separately wired 3-phase 230-volt 7.5 kVA power supply. The 3 package, like the other 2, comes completely pre-configured to work with the Haas control. You'll find a full suite of easy-to-use visual programming system templates to help you quickly program the robot to fulfill your exact production needs. The 3 is designed to fit VF series large frame mills from the VF6 through the 1150, all of the VR series articulated head mills, the VM6, and can also fit all of the ST30 and 35 turning centers. So these are the robot packages from Haas. 3 powerful, robust, precise, and immeasurably versatile tools that will revolutionize your parts production. Click on a Build and Price button at haascnc.com to see how easy it is to configure exactly the robot package you need. While you're there, check out our many other mills, turning centers, and automation solutions only from Haas Automation.